Welcome to Venture Out in the Florida Keys at mile marker 23. I'm going to give you a short introductory. You know you're here when you see the 170-foot flagpole. Always has the flag flying. Venture Out Resort is a condominium community, gated, and it allows rentals. We're going to go see some of the amenities and my lot I have for rent. Okay, we're going through the security gate. Hello.
Hello.
How are you today? You're on candid camera. There's the tennis courts. I'm going to go over to the marina. That's our post office and recreation center. Post office parking only. I'm going to the post office. There's the marina. I gotta get the tennis courts and bocce ball. Marina. Boat wash down. Fish cleaning station. It's a two-hole marina, 2 ramps, and there's our store, on-site store. Got bocce ball, basketball, and tennis. I know that ain't coming out shooting into the sun. Okay, we'll go look at the pool and the common areas next. Okay. This is our swimming pool. See, there's a couple people swimming. Bathhouse. This is what's termed the common area. Got a beach over here. Place to swim. Nice tiki hut. There's several of them located in the common grounds. There's our weed eater. Backside view of the marina. Upstairs is the adult center or meeting center. And over here, about a 8 or 10 man spa. Always nice and neat and clean around here. See how many people fit in the spa. Six. Okay, onward. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick walk around to lot 500. It's roughly 35 feet wide and 75 feet long. This is our palm trees and landscaping. Golf cart. Only allowed 1 car over here. You have to pay $2 a day to park a second vehicle. I'm going to go around the outside first. Barbecue, picnic table, got a water view of the canal there, dock box for storage. Take you around my tropical plants here. That's our little backyard area. Planted a coconut palm. The rest of these are arecas. I think I'm going to move the barbecue grill up front. Some of these plants do good, some do better than others with no water. We just bought this place December 30th. Did a bunch of cleaning. Here's our living room.
Along with music from Styx and Todd Rundgren, that's just ahead. You don't have to be in the Keys long before it strikes you that this is a unique place with its own issues and interesting people.
Kitchen up there.
Join me on Cruising with Gruesome every Sunday
Have
morning. Try to meet the issues head on with the people involved.
full-size sleeper sofa. Sleep 2 on the sofa. Got a HD TV with surround sound. DVD, stereo, washer dryer. This is the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom has a view of the canal, as you can see in our back. It's a full-size bed also. Forgot to turn the light on. Thought I had every light in the place turned on. There we go. Got our lights turned on now. Got its own closet. Swivel rocker recliner. Ceramic floors, easy to sweep. The person who had this before me was quite the cook, I'm told. So we got a pretty big kitchen here. We got a freezer over there. Toaster, 2 coffee makers, gas range, small fridge, big fridge, and a nice dining room table. We'll go down, as long as we're going past, I'll open the closets and show you the storage. Here's the bathroom. Shower only in here. Kind of neat how this door opens up here. You can open the door up in case you need better access to the toilet. I guess that's the deal. Nice for cleaning too. Broom closet with shelves. This houses all the linens and extra bed covers and some extra pillows. And this, I guess, is going to be for whatever people want it for. Probably tourist type things. On into the master bedroom. This is a queen in here. Queen bed. Nice foam mattress. Couple of dressers. End table with no lamp yet. Nice big closet. And it's got 2 fancy air conditioners. You need them down here in the summer, trust me. Winter time, not too bad. Like today, it's about 70. I think it's January 20th. Inauguration day. Okay, Crystal, any words for the camera? No? Okay, we'll catch you later.